Good morning. Today we are going to cover the topic related to embedded system design, basically the case study, and that case study is related to automatic meter reading system. So this topic is actually case study of EME E&TC course. We'll cover today this topic. Okay, let us go ahead with this. So first of all, we'll cover this AMR, that is automatic remote meter reading. And then second, it is automating the process of measurement through digital communication techniques. Our basic purpose behind this case study is related to application of embedded system design. Okay. Now, let us come for this application. In metering system, one can find that electromechanical things were there in earlier cases. Okay, where low accuracy, then no control, then theft detection. It was very poor. So all these problems were there. Then in current days, digital solid state, high accuracy, control limited, communication, and theft detection node, it is there. Now in next generation, the smart meter and IT systems are going to come. Okay, so very high accuracy, then full control, and then on chip communication, then high theft detection network level, it is there. So this is one of the very important embedded system design application or case study which we are discussing today. Let us see the critical benefits of AMRS system: ability to detect the events and occurrences, then remote connect power supply through the meter, then calculate transformer loading and sizing from interval data. Okay, then 15 minutes interval data gives accurate load information for the supply scheduling, switching, planning, like this. Then monitor voltage at each premise to know conditions when to operate the capacitor switches or regulators. Then consistent and granular data for improved accuracy. So how AMR works? Okay, so here you will find that remotely reads customer meters and then transfer the data into the billing system. Then reduce the need for meter readers to manually gather the readings and all. Then AMR architecture, here you will find that meter interface module will be there, then communication system will be there, and lastly central office equipment system will be there, like this. So this will be the basic blocks in the this type of AMR system. So meter interface module, here it starts at the meter and some means of transmitting the readings to rotating meter dials, and in order to send digital metering data from customer side to center point, electro-optical interference, then signal processing electronics, RAM and program memory. This will be included in meter interface model. Let us come to next thing, that is PCB. Okay, so it is a single-sided PCB, electronic energy meters. Okay, and here we can have the retrofit senses. Okay, pulses equal to meter constant, like this. Let us come to one more part of our block or architecture of this case study, that is communication system, where GSM based communication, PLCC based communication will be there. Now let us come to next part, GSM communication. Here you can see the energy meter, then AMR sensor, and then the GSM module, and lastly you can have the application software and all. Okay, so GSM model and antenna is there. Okay, then see this antenna GSM and GSM network in AMR like this.